What happened to the hazardous weather outlook? This is Fred here from the National Weather Service office in Slidell, with the official office for New Orleans, Baton Rouge, and you may be wondering what happened to the hazardous weather outlook. In some instances, a lot of emergency managers and the public may not even know what the hazardous weather outlook was, and it's a product that we issued from the mid-90s until 2020. It's a weather statement that provide weather information for potential severe weather in the next 7 days. It's an outlook that may include potential severe thunderstorms, heavy rain, or flooding, winter weather, and extreme temperatures. It was a legacy product from the 90s, and it was a way that we communicated directly to the emergency managers. With social media, internet, it became available on our website. The National Weather Service have a plethora of products that we issue, and it sometimes is confusing. As you go to different parts of the country, we can get all kind of watches and warnings that we issue, and actually somebody put together a periodic table to show how many products that we issue. And so we don't really want to confuse the public with all our products. There's an easier way to know what's going to affect you, when it's going to affect you, and what kind of impacts. So what's in it for the replacement of the hazardous weather? These are engagements for Southeast Louisiana and Southern Mississippi. We do a weekly webinar, weekly weather webinars and emails. Those are internal communications with the National Weather Service, from the National Weather Service to emergency managers and decision makers. Social media is a way we kind of communicate to the public. We do Facebook Live, preparedness on Facebook, weather information on Facebook. We also use Twitter for fast-paced weather reports like severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings that actually automatically show a graph or a picture and a map of where the warnings are located. We also include weather information. YouTube, we also use YouTube for doing information like this, weather information and preparedness. So if you go to our website, it's at www.weather.gov/New Orleans, you click on the graphic in the lower right-hand corner. And so that will be the colorful graphic that's orange, yellow, and green. Let's see if I got my colors right. Click on that map, and that map will open up the Enhanced Hazardous Weather Outlook. You can also bookmark this site, so I know a few of you guys have it bookmarked for the Hazardous Weather Outlook. You can also bookmark this Enhanced Hazardous Weather Outlook, and you'll have this graphical display of what's going on in the next 7 days. And it has a lot more weather parameters located in here, not only for severe weather, but it also has for wind, lightning, flooding, extreme heat, cold, marine parameters in there, and those are all different types of risk, and there's different ways you can use it. If you're a decision maker, you can actually go to this map and look for 3 to 4 days out. If the winds are strong, it'll actually show that. Below is actually a threat level, from green meaning there's no threat to purple meaning extreme, and each weather parameter has a different threat level. It also has a map that you can actually take away. So if you click on that map that circled Southeast Louisiana and Southern Mississippi, you will actually get a much larger map and showing the lightning risk or showing the risk that you clicked on. You can actually copy and paste this weather threat and show it to your decision makers. Actually use this for the public. They can actually use this also. So it's not only for emergency managers, but it's actually the public can use this as far as threats of how much rain is going to occur, or if there's going to be a widespread rain event that's going to occur in day 4 or day 5. Again, this is a graphic that's updated twice a day, at least twice a day, but actually there are chances that we could be updating it quite frequently, especially for the immediate day, like today or the next day. But in day 5 or 6, it's going to be probably twice a day. Again, if you want more information about this, you can go into the discussion box and click on the Enhanced Weather Outlook, kind of bookmark that site. We'll include that in the information. And also, if you want to get more information on what's going on as far as how we actually produce these graphics, how the sausage is made, you can actually give us a call or visit our website and email us and to get more information.